Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use a TikTok voucher when shopping inside the app. First, open TikTok and log into your account. Tap the shop icon at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a bunch of products. Pick one you'd like to buy. Once you find it, tap Add to Cart or Buy Now. I'll tap Buy Now for this example. Choose your color or variant if available. You'll now be redirected to the checkout page. This is where you can add your TikTok voucher. Under Order Summary, tap TikTok Shop Discount. Here, you can enter a code manually or just choose one of the available vouchers TikTok suggests. Tap Confirm. And you'll see the discount applied to your order instantly. Now, review your shipping address, payment details, and total amount. When everything looks good, tap Place Order. That's it. Your TikTok voucher has been applied successfully. If you want to check your vouchers later, go to your profile, open the menu, tap Settings and Privacy, and go to the Vouchers section. You'll see your active, used, and expired ones there. And that's how you use a TikTok voucher to save money on your TikTok shop orders. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial on finding TikTok promo codes and deals.